Hoi hoi. I finally finished the last video for this piece. I'm recording this while my partner is sleeping. It's 3 in the morning and I can't sleep. I hope that explains something. Anyways, the last things I did in this painting were roughly blending the gradient in the background so it looks like foliage, and painting some branches and filling in the black. The black was very scary. I was very scared to go over the lines and ruin everything. Sometimes I went over the line a little bit, but not too much. I mean, it still looks very good. I'm so happy I finished this piece. It took me about 3 months to make, and I'm currently working on the next piece with the prompts horror and sci-fi. If you want to join the challenges, feel free. I'm really curious to see what you do with these prompts. I still have to make pictures of the finished artwork, so I'll post that on Insta soon. Yellow out.